go on Big 5, get my license. Expired already, so I gotta renew a new one. Hello, I would like to get a fishing license.
Fishing license? I can.
Alright.
I just need a state ID.
Yeah. Alright guys, not sure you can see it, but right now we get to the lake at 6:31, April 21, 2025. What's up guys, welcome back to New World Fishing. My name is Su Sapan. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we're out here at O'Neill Forebay, do some striper fishing. Me and my buddy Carmen is custom lure. He's right here. So yeah, let's see what we can catch. Alright guys, let's talk about my setup. I'm using a Daiwa BG 4000 reel paired with Daiwa Crossfire 7-foot rod. The main line is 20-pound Power Pro, and I'm using a Reaction Innovation skinny dipper with half-ounce jig head. Guy, fish on. Oh, it's a small one. Oh, you gotta know this bait is work. Reaction Innovation skinny dipper. I just lost one already, so I'm gonna switch to something else. I know this bait work, but I want to try something else, so I'm gonna switch to jerkbait. That's all my collection right here. All this side only do Realis 130sp. So I gonna switch to do Realis 130 Neo Pro. And this side got do Realis too. All these three right here, that's 120. This size 120. Do Realis DR 100. Strike King. Sexy Shad. Lucky Crab. Herring. I don't know what's this one. Drop your comment down below if you know what's this lure. Fish on, guys. No, small one. Second fish, guy. Get prior. Don't want to hook my hand. Yeah. always come with pliers if you guys are using trouble hooks. You don't hook your hand with it. Not that big, but pretty nice. Alright guys, let them go. Thanks for the fight. Alright guys, I just caught one with Realis 130sp Neo Pro. I keep trying with this lure. Yeah, it's Neo Pro. Fish on, guy. Nothing big. Small one. But no skunk though. Third one, guy. Third one with a jerkbait. Yeah.
Fish. Not too bad.
Third one, guys. Third one. Thanks for the fight. My buddy just pulling fish in.
That's so big. No, it's just coming sideways.
Nice. Okay, guy. My buddy just caught one right here with jerkbait.
Yeah.
Which one?
Grab my pliers.
Fish on, guy. Look like small one only. Small one. Full fish ready, guys. They're coming out right now. Oh. All right. Thanks for the fight. My buddy, he's over there by the hot spot. So the water is hella low. Look at that. Fish on, guy. Small one. Lost count. I think fish number 5 really, guys. Nothing big. There we go. I think fish number 5. Thanks for the fight. Fish on, guy. Striper. Small one. Small one. This is 6 fish. All right. 6 fish ready, guys. Thanks for the fight.